This is Hustle and Eat.
And I just recently withdrew $4,000, okay? $4,000, haven't touched this business in 2 years. Had to put in my PayPal account. I'm going to log in really quick to show you guys. And Conversion Pros still paid me on time regardless of my work. And I got paid off my original efforts even 2 years later. Most programs say they will pay you. Well, Conversion Pros proves it. Here's the $4,000 right here. And again, I didn't touch it in 2 years, ladies and gentlemen. This is the most powerful residual income I've ever seen. And I'm telling you right now, no other program is going to give you this much value. No other program is probably going to pay you because most people run in situations where they don't get paid. Well, I'm here to tell you, Conversion Pros pays. Whether you work or not, it will pay you for the work that you've done.